Today, I will be shedding some light on some of the steepest markups at the grocery store and offering tips and alternatives that can save you money. While the average grocery store markup is around 15%, individual items can be marked up a lot more than that, up to 75% in some cases. We'll look at some of the items with the highest markups. So let's begin.
Hey everyone! Welcome to the Radiant Clues.
1. Batteries. Most people only buy batteries when they need them, and retailers know that. Markups on batteries are relatively high, about 70%, because they know you're probably going to buy them regardless of the price. You can get around the steep grocery store prices for batteries by buying in bulk at a warehouse store like Costco or Sam's Club. Making this simple switch can save you up to 40 cents per battery. 2. Produce. Retailers also mark up produce pretty steeply, by around 50 to 75%, mainly to protect their profit margins from losses due to spoilage. On average, about 20% of produce at grocery stores gets thrown out due to spoilage. An easy way to save money on produce is to focus on what's on sale at the time you go grocery shopping. Sale prices on produce are typically applied to items that are available in abundance and are in season in the location they're grown. It's also smart to stock up on produce when it's on sale and freeze it to use later. 3. Pre-cut produce. If the markup on produce is considered high, then the markup on pre-cut produce is almost off the charts. You can pay up to 3 times more for the convenience of pre-cut or pre-sliced fruits and vegetables than what you'd pay for those same fruits and vegetables in the produce section. As convenient as pre-cut fruits and veggies can be, those markups can eat up a good portion of your grocery budget. To save money, plan to take a few minutes when you get home from the supermarket to cut your produce items. 4. Bottled water. No list of items with the highest markups would be complete without bottled water. No matter how much you buy at once or the size of the container, there's no getting bulk spices versus the jarred ones. Plus, you have the freedom to buy as much or as little as you need. You can also save money by picking the generic or private label spices over the name brand options.
Hey, thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe because more incredible content is on the way.